Good morning, students. How are you? Children, in today's online class, we will learn about notice writing, which is a very important part of writing skills and a frequently asked question in your exams. So, let's know about notice writing and its format and the things that we must keep in mind while writing a notice. First of all, we must know why do we write a notice. Children, the main purpose of writing a notice is to convey written information to a large number of people. So, the notice is used for this purpose. The notice may be about some event, some meeting, some future plan made by some organization, and to make its members aware about the meeting plans or anything else. So, the main purpose of notice is to convey information. So, as it is about the information, so it must be to the point and brief as much as we can, but it should comprise of all the necessary points or details. So, we should keep all these points in our mind while we are writing a notice. So, before writing anything, we must know about the format. So, what is the format of writing a notice? The format includes the name of the issuing agency. Suppose we are writing a notice to inform the children of a school. So, the institution or the organization will be a school. Then comes date of issue, when the notice is issued or written or released. Then title or subject of the event about which the notice is being written. Then comes body, which comprise of date, time, and all other necessary details about notice. And at last, there is authorized signatory, because notice is always issued by some authority. So, who is the issuing authority must be known to the readers. So, we must put the signatory, its name and signature at the last of the notice. So, let us see the example. This is the order you can see in the slide. Name of issuing agency, the word notice in capital letters must be there, then date, then title or topic or subject of the event, and then body. And at last, in the left, we should write the name, designation and signature of the issuing authority. Yes, this is the example. One more thing that I must tell you, that notice should always be written in a rectangular box. So, as you can see in the slide, that the notice is in a rectangular box. So, you can see at which place we should write which component of the notice. There are some tips about notice writing, that notice should be as brief as possible. You should be adhere to the word limit, but all the necessary details or information about the related event must be there in the notice, because after reading the notice, the reader must be informed about each and every aspect. The title should be eye-catching or captivating, because just after seeing or having a look at the title, the reader must come to know about what the given notice is. So now let's have an example. In this example, there is a notice about the suspension of power supply, and it is written the power supply will be suspended for 8 hours 10 to 6 p.m. on 6th of March for cleaning the water tank. Write a notice about 50 words advising the residents to store water. And the issuing authority is Aman Kumar, Secretary, CDT, Housing Society, Patna. So, as we have discussed earlier, first of all, the name of issuing agency, that is CDT, Housing Society, Patna. Then word notice is there. At left side, it is date. As there is this notice is to inform or just make people attentive and alarmed about the suspension or power cut for 8 hours. So the word attention is chosen as the title of the notice. And then comes the notice. It is to inform all the residents regarding the suspension of water supply for 8 hours. It is being done to clean the water tank. The details are as follows. Date is given, on which date the water supply is going to be suspended, that is, and the time. Thus, it is requested to all the residents to store required amount of water beforehand to avoid any difficulty. Thank you. So, children, I hope after watching this example, you must come to know that how a notice is written, what is the proper format, and which type of language should we use to write a notice. A home assignment will also be given to you in the video. So now you all have to write a notice for your school notice board regarding a drawing competition on the occasion of Makar Sankranti for the children of class 6 to 10.